Welcome to the brand new, exclusively master planned community of Southbrooke. Now, we happen to be located in Franklin, Tennessee. We're literally a minute's drive away from Berry Farms and the interstate. And this amazing community is being built by the award-winning builders, Ford Classic Homes. Now, if you're not familiar with Ford Classic Homes has gone ahead and built in the Westhaven, they've built in the Grove, Laurel Brook, and in 2021, were awarded the best builders in all of Nashville. On top of having Ford Classic Homes build in this community, you've also got Insignia Homes building in this community as well. Now, like I mentioned to you, we are located in Franklin. This is one of the brand new communities that's located here in Franklin. You're literally only 24.5 miles south of downtown Nashville. So if you're looking for a brand new community that happens to be in these beautiful rolling hills of Franklin, but you want to be able to easily get over to Nashville, Southbrooke might be the right community for you and your family. Southbrooke is a three-phase community, with Southbrooke being the first phase. You're looking at 75 acres of 205 different home sites throughout this beautiful, beautiful community. And at the time of filming this, we're looking at about roughly around 52% have been gone ahead and sold out. Now, like I mentioned to you, it is a three-phase master plan community. You've got Southbrooke being the first phase, then you've got the Meadows, then you've got Southvale. Now, once the Meadows and Southvale goes ahead and is underway and goes live, you're looking at an additional 500 different townhomes, single-family homes, condos that are going to be going ahead and being brought to this amazing community. Now, when we happen to talk homes over here at Southbrooke, you're looking at 3 to 5 beds. You're looking at 2 to 3 car garages, and you've got these gorgeous covered porches, as well as these amazing back decks as well for your home. So it's a great space to be going ahead and, hanging out with your neighbors, sitting out here with a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, or being able to go ahead and have some phenomenal backyard barbecues and just enjoy the football game as well. Now, let's talk timeline, right? So from the moment you go ahead and actually sign that contract to the moment you're going ahead and being able to unpack your boxes and move your families in, you're looking at roughly around a 6 to 8 month time frame as far as going from contract to actually being able to move into your brand new home. Now, the prices range over here depending on whether you're going ahead and getting a townhome or a single family home. You've got $800,000 to $900,000 for your 3-bedroom townhouse. And then when we talk about the single family home, you're looking at roughly around $1 million to $1.8 million, just depending on what you've gone ahead and added to your home. Now, square footage wise, you're looking at roughly around 2,600 square feet for your townhomes. You're looking at roughly around 2,300 to 4,100 square feet for your single family homes. All right, so let's talk some phenomenal amenities over here at Southbrooke. You're looking at a basketball court, you've got a tennis court and cabana and pool and playground, and probably my favorite about these amenities over here is you've got 2 brand new outdoor pickleball courts with dedicated nets and lines. So you're not having to go ahead and figure out if a tennis court is going to allow you to play or not. You've got these amazing pickleball courts to be able to play outdoors as well. And once Southvale goes ahead and goes live and goes online, right, you're looking at an additional large amenities being added to this community as well, including a 145 acre nature park with walking trails and hiking trails as well. And the beautiful thing about all of these amenities is they are dedicated exclusively to the Southvale, Southbrooke, and Meadow residents. So you don't have to worry about, you know, can I get a game out here on pickleball, or can I get into my pool or anything like that? They're dedicated exclusively to you and your family. Now let's go ahead and give you a tour of this beautifully master planned community, and make sure that you go ahead and stay tuned, because we're going to be going ahead and giving you a full virtual tour on our YouTube channel, and that will be coming soon to the channel. So definitely be looking out for that as well. Hey, if you are moving in the next 9 days, or you're moving in the next 90, and you look at Southbrooke and you go, man, that is an amazing community, I definitely want to go ahead and add that to my list. Feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's connect face to face, figure out exactly what it is you're looking for, and really just make this be the easiest, smoothest process for you. Other than that, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.